Want to make your videos pop by instantly freezing the action at the perfect moment? Today, we're diving into CapCut PC to master the freeze frame effect, adding professional polish to your edits in under 2 minutes. First, import your video clip into CapCut PC and drag it onto the timeline. Now, position the playhead exactly where you want your freeze frame to begin. This is the moment the action will abruptly halt. See that frame? That's where we'll create our freeze. With your clip selected, click on the split option in the toolbar. This cuts your video at the playhead's position. You'll see your clip divided into 2 parts. Now, select the second segment of your clip. Locate and click the freeze icon. It usually looks like a pause symbol within a frame. Zap! CapCut automatically creates a still image of that exact frame and inserts it into your timeline, overriding the original video for that duration. You can adjust the duration of this freeze by simply dragging the edges of this new freeze frame segment. Want the pause to last longer? Just pull it out. Need it shorter? Tuck it in. This creates a dramatic pause, emphasizing details, conveying emotion, or just adding a cool stylistic flair. You can add multiple freeze frames throughout your video to highlight different moments. And there you have it. Your perfectly executed freeze frame effect, ready to elevate your next video project.